How to add an email signature in Outlook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add an email signature in Outlook. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Outlook application, or you can also log in via your browser. And once you're inside here, just tap on this mail button over here to simply create a new mail. And once you're inside here, just select this account which you want to send to, and just enter your password over here, or just enter your subject over here just like this. And now to simply create a signature, you just have to click on this signature icon over here and just select signature button, and now simply tap on this new signature option over here to give a new signature name. And let me just quickly give a name over here for my signature. Now simply edit it accordingly. So you can also actually customize your text using a highlighter, something like this. And you can also change your font. So to increase the font size, you can simply tap on this font size button over here, and just like this you can change your color and font size, as well as your text color, font color as well. So you can do all sort of things. You can even include the image using this option over here. You can paint, use a font, different font size. You can make a text bold and italics, or underline the text just like this. And you can also include an image and click on save. So once you do all of that, the next time you send anyone email, you should be successfully able to view that particular signature on your email. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.